We are downtown Los Angeles. What did we just do?
Bought our ring.
We picked out
we
picked out and designed my engagement ring. What do you think? What do you think about it?
It was beautiful. It's really beautiful.
It was such a great experience.
Yes.
And like we were in this like super fancy jewelry store in downtown, and Eddie, the guy who's designing the ring, was like amazing and found a really unique special stone for me.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
And I'm so excited. It's like so crazy.
Look.
Okay, so Guillermo and I are looking at our first wedding venue right now, and I'm so excited. I really hope this one works out. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Okay, so this is walking in. It's the Autobahn Center at Debs Park. You walk in with these beautiful big wrought iron gates through this like courtyard. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is the entrance. Okay, so this is the big pepper tree grove where the ceremony would be. So cool. Obviously none of these picnic tables would be here. That guy will be here, looking handsome. This is so beautiful. Okay, so she said these trees would stay green. These pepper trees will be still green.
Can we ask him to cut this one so we have more room?
Cheap. Like a little bridge with grape leaves and stuff, like covered with grape leaves, and so everybody would walk that way. Ignore the little weird hut. Everybody would walk up that way to the wedding, to the actual ceremony, to the grove. And then this is where the reception would be, all down in here. And there's all these like great little water features and koi pond type stuff. It's very like drought resistant foliage, and it'll be a little bit more in the autumn shades. By the time we get married, it won't be all this green, but there's this great like water feature in the middle here. This is where all the tables would be, and okay, you guys, I just tried on wedding dresses for the very first time. Cameron was very helpful. I'm gonna show you who my squad is. Joellen, my mom, and Becky. We FaceTimed my sister in. Anyway, thought you guys would wanna know that I've been wedding dress shopping, and I know you guys always love to see this. Gosh, you guys, wedding dress time. Look at all these dresses. Dresses for days. There's my mom. We are gonna just find my dress today.
I don't know if you watch Netflix, but they made Barbie a new like show, and she kind of does what she does, like she vlogs.
Okay, so we are in Beverly Hills today. We are wedding dress shopping day 2. So fun to have my mom here. We're meeting one of my bridesmaids, one of my best friends, Rena. And today we are dress shopping at Beholden, Anthropologie's bridal dress line. So that's where we're headed right now.
Hey Trisha, what's going on?
Look at this dress.
I'm gonna walk around you. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Okay, so you can get it all.
Yep.
It's so beautiful. It's really elegant. Super Change Countdown, 99 days to go. Okay, so I want to show you guys a little wedding DIY project that I'm going to do. I couldn't find the shoes that I wanted. I just couldn't find something. So I found these awesome blue shoes from A New Day from Target, and they had the right amount of heel for me because my venue's kind of rugged. But I wanted to bling them out. So I ordered off of eBay these shoe clips. But when I clip this on, it actually hurts this metal clip, like makes this too tight and hurts my foot. So I'm actually going to take the clips off. I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to glue this on and really hope that this works out perfectly, because then all total my wedding shoes would cost under $50, including buying the glue. So I think they were $30 or $35. These were $12. And then I think the glue was, I can't remember how much it was, but anyway. So I'm hoping this is going to be a really great DIY wedding project to help save money, because the shoes that I wanted were $250. That seemed a little crazy for one day. Okay, so I'm going to show you another wedding craft that I'm working on. All the little boys in the wedding are going to be wearing these blush and ivory bow ties because it matches my dress, and then the little flower girls will have these as hair clips. So I bought these bows. I bought all these bows downtown. They were really cheap. I think they were like $1 a piece. And then I bought some grosgrain ribbon, and I'm attaching them. Oops, I just stuck my finger in the glue. That's probably not a good thing. I'm attaching them with a little bit of that Gorilla Glue, so they'll be able to just tie on in the back of their necks, and then you know, they don't need like a like real bow tie. And I noticed that on Etsy, the bow ties, they're kind of expensive. So because I needed 5 of them, this was a much more cost-effective way to do it. I think the ribbon was $2, but I got it on sale at Hobby Lobby. So I think all total, I'm in this project for maybe like $12 for the hair clips and the bow ties. I haven't actually bought the clips yet, so for those little bows, so that's going to be a little bit more. So maybe in for $15 for this project, which is pretty awesome for, you know, 8 kids. Hey, you guys, I'm about to leave the ceremony site, but I want to show you some floral installations that I did today for my wedding. Had some help from my friends. So we have these epic trees. It's like my favorite thing ever. But look at this. We made this. I mean, pretty cool, right? Okay, and then this is the ceremony tree. Bridget and Danielle are here helping. But look at this. Isn't this so epic and incredible? This magic. So okay, now we are just doing the beauty. Julie's doing my hair. There's doing Danielle, my matron of honor. The other girls are headed here soon, but such a beautiful, fun day. Just want to say thank you for all the well wishes. I see all your DMs coming in, and we'll read them and respond. So we are taking my bridal portraits right now. We're about to do a first look with Guillermo, but I just wanted you guys to see a little bit of the magic and the bestest friend in the world.
Lots of veil throwing.
Lots of veil throwing.
Okay. You can smile too. Hold right there.
bawling as soon as you walked up. You do have one for me.